Today we're going to cover the end lap calculation in a wall flashing condition. Now you have two ways to set this up. You have one way that's going to calculate a vertical seam every 100 lineal feet, and you have another way that's going to manually change the formula to give you more membrane as if you were calculating a vertical seam however many feet. And that's going to be dependent upon the formula that we show you here in a moment. Now the way that you currently see the wall flashing condition is set up for calculating a vertical seam every 100 feet. In this case, we have a 3-foot tall membrane calculation where we have an end lap every 100 feet that's 6 inches wide, and you have an additional 6 inches here for your side lap. So really, we're calculating 42 inches of membrane in total, the 36 plus the 6 inch for your side lap. Now, this is meant for those smaller walls that you're going to be covering, okay? This is meant for, hey, I can run out as long as a roll of membrane is, and I can just stick that up on the wall and my team's going to be able to manage the weight, everything else that is applied to that. The other option you have is for calculating a vertical seam using a formula. Now, if you want to figure out what that formula is, we give it to you in the Notes tab. So simply click on Notes and scroll down to the second paragraph. Now, the second paragraph reads, the edge lays the field sheet horizontally, resulting in a vertical lap every 100 feet. That's currently what you were just shown. If you want, this is how you can make the change to show you a vertical lap more frequently. On an average, we're suggesting that there's a vertical lap that happens every 20 feet. So you multiply the size of the lap by the number of vertical seams in a 100 lineal foot sheet. In this case, 100 feet divided by 20 feet would give you 5, and you would take 6 inches times 5 to give you an end lap of 30 inches. So if we wanted to calculate having a 20-foot wide sheet by, say, let's 96 inches, 8 feet tall, we would then want to go in and change our end lap to 30 inches, so that way we can calculate the material correctly, and that way we're not going to end up short on our project because we didn't calculate those seams that you're going to have every 20 feet. Now, it may be a very small amount of material, but this is just allowing you to get a more precise calculation for the membrane that you're going to be using on those taller walls. Now, in this case, I would go ahead and change my master height here, so that way it's reflected, and now I'm going to actually be calculating the total membrane that I'm going to need there. If you have any additional questions or you're working on this on your own and you start running into some issues, please feel free to give us a call on the tech line. We'd be happy to assist you in any way we can. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.